Okay, guys, this is our boat.
I made this, and I put glitter on it.
Oh yeah, guys, glitter.
Made out of pop, 6 sticks. Where's my boat?
It's probably being retarded and hitting up against a tree. Look at that baby flow. I mean, and then there's those girls on the bridge. They're lame.
Oh shit, mine capsized.
Oh no, gotta go and get it.
No.
Okay, now we have a capsized boat. What happens next? Wow, fox could live there.
Damn, it's getting in the current. That's why it flipped. I didn't even see it flip.
I know, that would have been cool to get on camera.
Look at Dustin back there.
Yeah, look at that retarded boat. It's just a box.
Come on, come back, baby, please.
Come on, baby. You can do it, baby.
If I can throw something out there to get it.
You're probably butt fucking on the bridge.
Hi.
Hi. There's the track people in the background. Can't see them. Look in the way. Oh shit, catching up. Look at that baby. Hey Luke, if we ever make another boat, instead of hanging the string on the top, hang it on the bottom. No, it isn't, you fuck are.
I have a large stick.
That's what she said.
Oh shit! It's gonna be drafting in. Fuck you!
And if you guys can't really see this, that's because we make small boats. On the boat and no man. Move, Luke.
This is the girls.
What have I told you earlier? They're butt fucking under the bridge.
Right over there. Hey, over here!
We're videotaping. We're videotaping.
Come here!
Come.
Wait for us! We just let it flow. Nope.
We will when it gets to the bridge.
No, Bobby, we're way out
Oh man, it's getting close to the other edge. It's not deep, Dustin. You want to go swim?
there. No, it isn't. It's not at all.
It's barely up to your ankles, I bet.
Still.
Was that cold when you capsized?
Where are they?
Being gay. Who cares?
I can't even see it so far back there. Mine's like flying.
No, it's flying.
That's the way I wanted it to be, actually.
Yeah,
There's
put
an
an
oar
capsize.
under. Bobby, stop.
Stop what?
I'm gonna start my video.
Oh, I'm not gonna stop.
No, it's gonna be part 2.
No. You need to log into my thing to do that. Ah, take a bow. Dustin, that's not part 2.
Part 2 of singing on the boat. I'm on a boat. Yeah.
We're gonna prepare the arrival, guys. Where is it, guys? I see it.
See if this bottle. Hey, you guys see my Lipton tea bottle?
No.
It flew. Because it was way down.
Okay. Need to get over this fence.